Meet the Spinone Italiano, Italy's iconic hunting dog known for its wiry beard and soulful eyes. Bred for stamina and versatility, this breed excels in both water and field, retrieving game with a gentle mouth. Myths claim Spinone never tire, but while hardy, they cherish downtime with family. Their affectionate nature and patience make them superb companions, especially for children. Traditionally treasured in Italian countryside estates, Spinoni are gentle giants with an unmistakable charm. Their dignified look and loyal temperament have inspired legends throughout Italy's history.